Hi guys, Derek here. Just going to give you an update on some upcoming content that I've got lined up for the channel. Just a couple of things at the moment. So just here I've got my Stan Lee tribute that I've done in rainbow filament from Everyone. It came out really nice, as you can see. I've also got a couple of vases that I've printed out, which I'll do obviously a video on at the same time as the Stan Lee. I've got some unboxings coming up, which is the EU mystery box for April, which I'm still waiting on, and a toolkit coming from a company here based in the UK. I've also got a couple of reviews coming up. One is this flex plate from And or Not. I'm going to tell you a honest review. I was given it to do the honest review, so that's what you're going to get. And also my review on the Ender 3. I've had it for some time now, so I do believe that I need to get a review out now and let you guys know the pros and cons. There we go. So just a quick video, just letting you guys know what I'm up to and what is coming up. I'm going to try and knuckle down and get some more videos out by the end of the month. Don't hold me to that, guys. I am pushing myself to try and get this content out, and this is what I'm trying to do. Okay, so look after yourselves and be yourself. See you later. Bye.